Hi everybody, welcome back to Time Predicts, and I am doing zodiac sign wise reading for the month of August. I've already done a lot of signs and I'm going to upload them. Only Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius, and Capricorn were left. So I'm going to give you one highlight of the month, the theme for the particular sign, and the channel messages for that sign. I'm doing an elaborate read, so I'm going to use 3 4 decks. Let's see what is the highlight of the month for Libra. This is for Librans. Your hard work is paying off. So I'm going to hold it closer to my computer screen. I'm going to put it up here also. It says your hard work is paying off. I feel you are also dealing with a Capricorn, and or probably you will deal with a Capricorn in the month of August. Let's see what is the other theme. So this is all about putting in your hard work. Okay, you have put in a lot of hard work before August, and now is the time to reap the profits. Probably that's why it says that now whatever you've done, probably in the relationship, if you've given a lot in the relationship, a lot to the relationship, you've done a lot of things for people. Now it's the time when you'll be receiving love and good things will be happening for you, and good things will be happening to you. So luck is on your side. So it brilliantly sits in the reading. It says luck is on your side. I'm reading it again. I think November is a brilliant time for you guys. Okay, remember that. And especially if you are dealing with a Sagittarius, if your boss is a Sagittarius, or I also think in the month of November, though this is for August, but whatever you start in August will also give you a bigger amount of profit or a better relationship time in November. So that's going to be great for you guys. Let's see what are the other Moonology messages for you. So conclusions are within reach, and it's come reversed. I think conclusions will come to you soon, and it's just wait for August end, and things will be okay. So August is also a month for reaping rewards, like it says. That's a highlight of the month, and also conclusions are within reach. So I'm going to put the main card there. That's because that's the highlight of your month. I hope you can see the card. This is better. Otherwise, there is a light on it. So I'm going to use the other decks and let's see what are the other messages for you. I'm going to shuffle the cards. So are these cards going to say the same thing or they're going to give you other messages? Let's see what's happening. Happy family. A nice time with the family. Number 4 is important for you. You are number 4, okay? That's what I feel. Or also in 4 days, I get some good news coming to you. Something stabilizing your family. Also wanting a happy family life for long. I think in August, you will get back to your family, with your family. Probably being away with your family. I also feel you want to buy a new house or you want to move into a new house. I think you're away from your family also, and this is August is a time when you will be back with your family under the same roof. Also wanting to go on a holiday. I understand it's a COVID situation, not being able to go out, you're not being able to go to the places you really wanted to go to, but I think yes, you will. I feel something in August you're not going to tell people about. There is some kind of a secret you want to keep inside you, and you don't want to talk about it in August. You don't want to reveal what you're thinking. It's like also still thinking if I should be telling people what I'm thinking. It's kind of closed. It's also not. It's less action because I think for Librans you've already put all your actions here. That's why probably your hard work is paying. It's not about action this time. August is just enjoying the rewards, enjoying what you put in the relationship, and you're going to receive love. So it's also sitting back, and waiting for things to come to you. That's what I feel. Making money. So after 7th of August, it's good time for you. You're going to be making some money. You're going to be getting money from somewhere. You're going to get a good position also. I don't know if you. I also get the fact that you're going to sell a piece of your land here, and from that land you're going to get some kind of a money. It's going to be a deal. Probably you won't get the total amount that time, but yes, you will get some part of it, and the land will give you money. I don't know if you have orchards or something, or you have farms, but something that you're growing there would also give you money. That's what I feel. Let's see what are the other messages for you. This is for Libra. Door to romance not opening. It will take time. Not really wanting to receive love. It's a time where you put in a lot. But you still are not ready to receive love. I don't know, probably it's you wanting to be alone on your own, or you do not want to interact with anyone. That's what I feel. Not really open to people. I also feel not really Open to people, not open to new relationships, is also what I'm getting. So let's see what the crystal angels are saying for you. Clearing negativity. Don't have negative thoughts, okay? Probably because this is not a month of action for you guys. For Librans, you've done all your action before, done whatever is needed, all the movement in your life. But I don't want you to, I like to say, empty mind is a devil's mind. I don't want you to do that, because I have a feeling that you'll be thinking I don't have much to do, and you'll have your thoughts will be going haywire. Your thoughts will be going anywhere, everywhere. So just do control your thoughts, that I want to say, and please clear negativity from your life. Don't have to think negative. Now it's come up right, because I shuffled it and got it again. So this is in this month in August for Librans. Clear all your negativity, clear negative people from your life. I want you to think positive, that's all. Deep emotional healing. Need a lot of healing this month in August, but you're not healing yourself. I don't know why. What is it that you're blocking? You're not letting people in. I also feel you're not talking about your emotions somewhere. It's all, like I said, it's all in your stomach. Probably it's about the emotions. You're not letting them out. It's all a secret right now. It's everything is bundled here. Like, look how this is looking. Too much mess created. So everything you bundled together, you put it inside, and you not letting it out, not talking it out. Sometimes not talking about it is also not good. It'll harm you. So don't keep it inside. Probably you need to talk to friends. Let's see what's the other card. Okay, so value yourself. I don't know why, because Libra is a very different reading, a lot of messages. This is a general reading, so it's like almost talking to 10, 20 different people. Most of the signs that I did in the morning today actually had a trend, what the reading was, or there was one underlying problem, or there was one important situation. But here there are a lot of messages I see for Libra. So I think a lot of you, one of I want you to value yourself. And I think August beginning, you are going to start to value yourself. Something will happen in your life, something will come in your life where you will realize that, realize your self-worth. So remember that. Probably in July, you really didn't feel valued by the people you love, or the people who love you. I think probably even in the job scene or anything, you didn't get much appreciation, or probably your kids also didn't give you much appreciation or love. So I want you to value yourself in August. That's an important message. Okay. I'm not going to take this card. It's not sitting in the reading, like I always say. I'm going to take another card. This card came again. So that's an important message. If twice a card comes in my reading upright or reversed, I think this is an important message for you, especially for August for Librans. Please realize your self worth. Okay, you are a diamond. Okay, you and don't be underconfident. Okay, and don't think you can't do it. I don't know why I have a feeling a lot of Librans are saying, should I do it? Because I don't think I'll be able to manage it. It's almost those words that I heard in my head. I'm going to keep the cards there. I'm going to pick up Romance Angels and see what is the romantic scene, what are your feelings, what is your scene with a loved one, how August is going to be for you guys. Finances and career. I think right now you will be thinking about finances on August. Probably that's why you weren't really open to love, or you don't have time for love. That's what you think, because it's somebody who's just, worried about finances, gathering, whatever you can, putting money away. So not looking anywhere, just keeping your mind on money. So that's why you are not open. That's what I get now. Or probably it's almost that you're not in touch with your friends, or it's also that your lover is not talking to you because you didn't give the person much time before August, and you're feeling lonely right now. You're going to feel lonely in August. So something is worth waiting for. So I want you to give another chance to the person, okay? And if the person has been away, or if you're thinking, really, is the person worth my time? I don't know why I felt that one of you actually asked this, when I was doing the reading, that is he really worth my time, or is she really worth my time? I think the person is worth your time, and that's what it says. And divine timing will bring you two together. That's what I also feel. If you think, if you're waiting for a loved one, there'll be a divine timing. You won't even realize that you've actually fallen in love with that person, or you're going to meet the person suddenly. So let's see who's your spirit guiding animal, and what the animal wants to say to you, which is a spirit guide. This is almost falling off my hand, so I have to take it. It's almost fell there, and it's like it belongs in the reading. So it's a wolf. So your guiding spirit animal is a wolf. That's nice. Let's see what the wolf has to say to you guys. It says, I find comfort in harmony of my pack. So also being, you like being with people, who are like-minded, So probably you get attracted to people who are very like-minded, think like you, or, act like you, or something which is similar, the way you act or whatever your beliefs. So it says, I have a peaceful relationship with my family. So it says, it talks about relationships with the family, having a peaceful time. It's also the want of having a peaceful time with the family. It's easy for me to share and teach through storytelling. So probably you're a good communicator and you communicate well. And that's why probably like-minded people get attracted to you, because you tell stories. You're a good storyteller. You use words well. That's what I feel. I'm extremely intuitive and heed the messages of higher wisdom and knowledge. So this is somebody who is mature, somebody who's knowledgeable, reads a lot. I also feel that you read a lot of books. I really think you have a big library in your house, and you communicate well. You inspire people. You motivate. You have a lot of books in your house, which actually talk about how to motivate people, or make them think more positively. So I'm getting all those thoughts. Okay. And I also get a very sharp mind. If I don't know who am I talking to, but yes, I am thinking of a person who's really has a really is really quick on their feet, and really quick on the thinking, and they have a sharp mind, very intelligent. That's what I get. So those were the messages for you. Let me see what is the color for you for August. I'm going to take out a color or any charm, and yes, this is going to make a noise. I'm not looking, guys, I'm just picking up what I think. Okay, so gold is good for you, light gold. And I got the fish. So probably Librans are dealing with the Piscean sign. I also feel that you love having fish. I feel that you love having seafood, and I feel you love having pomfrey. Okay, that's what I feel. That's the feeling I get. And you don't like meeting new people. I don't know why I got that. Just like being bonded. Like the fish are in the aquarium, just being with them, you feel better. When you know the people. Not really happy with naturally, nobody's happy with strangers, but you really take time. To know the other person is also what I get. Let's see what the alphabets are forming. I'm going to take out some alphabets. They normally form words. So let me see, what is it. Hoax. I don't have an A here, but I feel it's a hoax. Something is a hoax. I want you to be careful about that, okay? Um, I also get the word hurry, though it's not forming hurry. I get the word hurry. And I get sorry here. Who are you saying sorry to? Is it somebody you want to say sorry to? It's SORY. I know you can't see it, but this is S, this is O, and this is R, and this is Y. I get sorry. Okay, I don't know why. Uh, let's see any other word that I can form. I don't think that's the only words. I also get sure, going somewhere near water. That's what you feel like. Because when I picked up the happy family card, I also felt like wanting to go to a beach near water, shores, something similar to that. So that's what I feel. So I'm going to put this back, and I'm going to move to the next sign. I hope you enjoyed the reading. This is going to go back. That was the highlight for Librans for August. So guys, I'm going to move on to Scorpio. This is the Scorpio reading. Let's see what's the highlight of the month. What is going to happen with you. So for Scorpio, it is your dreams need a practical plan, guys. Okay, remember that. I want to do one more. There's one more highlight that needs to be done, and you are good enough, remember. So probably you're not believing in your dreams, not believing in yourself, but it wants to say that you are good enough. Believe in what you're doing, okay? Things will come to you. That's what it's saying. Having confidence. Now I'm going to keep the highlight here only. It says, like I said, it says your dreams need a practical plan. Now, I think next year, though this is an August reading, next year, March is going to be very good for you. March and April. I get that feeling. I'm not reading the cards, but that's the kind of feeling that I get when I just spoke about it. So I'm going to use the energy cards right now. Let's see what are the other messages for Scorpio. What are the messages for Scorpio? What are the messages for Scorpio? What do you want me to tell them? Losing patience somehow. Probably your dreams need a practical plan. You're dreaming too much. You losing patience. Things are not coming out like the way the way you planned them. Probably they're not coming out that way. Maybe your project is not coming out that way when it's nearing completion. Losing patience in a relationship also. Also, time is running out. I think you needed to launch something. You wanted to launch something. It's already late, and you know, worrying. August is going to be a worry month for you, Scorpio. That what is happening with my life, what is happening with my jobs scene. I did put a lot of hard work, but I don't think that hard work is going to pay or it's not going to happen. It's like almost losing patience, not wanting to do it anymore. Okay, that's the kind of feeling that I get. I think if you have a practical plan, if you have planned everything well, you don't have to worry because this is a beautiful card. There is victory, so I don't want you to give up, okay? Especially in November. November is going to be good for you. Even October is going to be good for you. So in August, I want you to plan, replan, strategize, re-strategize, reorganize, organize whatever you needed to do. Whatever you need to do, you need to put things into action again. I think you need to reassess the situation. Reassess as a word is coming to me again and again. So please reassess your situation, guys. You'll do well. See, happy family is going to be there. You're going to be with your family, and nothing is going to keep you away from your family. I think you're working really hard for your family, for their finances, and you want your family to be happy, buy whatever they want to buy, get things what they want. You want them to get a life of luxury. That's what I feel. So this is for Libra, okay? Wanting to give the world to your family. That's the line that I get for Librans. Probably really working hard, and that's why you're dreaming a lot. But the only thing is, how do I put it into action? I want to do so much for my family. That's what I get. I think you've been planning for 2 years. You've been planning this in your head for 2 years, and it's still not taken shape. I'm going to remove the cards from here because there's a flash that's going on the cards and it's reflecting light. Not very happy because you can do something big, but it's almost like thinking that luck is not on my side. That's what Scorpions are thinking. Somebody really cares for you, okay? It's a caring connection. If you've fallen in love with someone or there's somebody in your life, the woman really cares for you and you also really care for the person, okay? And I want you to show it more, express it more. That's what I feel you need to do in August. Let's see, what else do you need to do in August? Oh, August is also a broken heart. So sorry. If you're dealing with a number 9, okay? Probably the tiffs or the fights are going to start in August, and probably it's going to happen in September is what I get. So it's going to start happening in August. Not really a good card, but yes, this is it. I think you know that this whole heartache is going to lead to a breakup. It's not going too well. Okay, that's what I feel. Let's see your romance angel cards because if I got a separation there, a broken heart, let me see what the romance angel cards say for you. What do the romance angel cards say for you? Finances and career. Bothered about finances and career, not really about your love life. That's what you're thinking about. Love life is not really coming into the picture for you guys. Separation. So there is a broken heart, but it's not going to happen in August. Like I said, it's going to be in November. It's going to be somewhere in September. See, separation card came, but it's reversed. So you thinking about it, like I said. So exactly right. So in August, you're going to think about it. That should I leave the person or not leave the person? In August, you're not going to head towards a breakup. It's much later. Guys, remember this is a general reading. These are general guidances. I'm not doing a specific reading. I don't know your name and your picture like I normally read with energies. So remember, please do in the please whatever you do in the end, it should be from your free will and what you think is right. See the third card also. And normally for the other readings, I just took 2 romance angel cards, but this one I wanted to take one more, and it says release your ex. And again, this has come reversed. So August is a big month for thinking. This is like in your relationship you have to think. You're going to think twice, thrice. You want to release the person, but still you'll hold on. And August is a month where you'll not take any decisions when it comes to the matter of the heart. What is your animal spirit guide saying to you? Let's see. Probably there's a message there. Okay, so this is not a love reading, but yes, sometimes it becomes. Should I don't want to take this one. It doesn't belong here. When I say it doesn't belong here, It's like I want to give another one, another reading. This one is for you. A giraffe is for you. Yes. I don't know what it says because the cards are new. I've not read all of them. So let's see if the giraffe is also saying, giving you the same messages. It says, I easily maintain awareness of the intended outcome and release distractions. So maybe your dreams need a plan, means that you're getting distracted by something else. I don't know if you're getting distracted by finances, love situation, family matter, but yes, you are getting distracted. So that's what the giraffe is saying. It's saying not to get distracted, okay? No, my imagination is the key to my success. So imagine, you need to imagine, okay? You need to have proper plans, okay? So that's what the giraffe is saying. Divine protection is all around me. My approach to life is from a higher perspective. I'm in alignment with my intuitive vision of positive outcomes. I see my future filled with well being and happiness. So there is happiness. All you need is a plan, plan, plan. That's what everything is saying. All the readings are saying the same thing. All the cards are saying the same thing, that you need to plan and things will be right for you. Let's move on and I'll see what are the crystal angel cards saying for you. Let me shuffle the crystal angel cards. What messages are there? Self confidence to God confidence. You need self confidence in this month, okay? In August, it's all about listening to yourself, listening to your intuition. I don't know why I want to say this, but I think pink is going to be a fantastic color for you, okay? I don't know what color will come later on. I've not given a color right now, but yes. I also get, you'll get some kind of an idea suddenly, it'll be a good idea out of nowhere, it will strike you that, oh, why didn't I do it this way, or why didn't I manage this situation this way? I think this is better managed if I do this, or it's going to give me more gains if I do this in this situation. So some kind of an idea would suddenly strike you, which will be good for you. Again, this card came, so that is important, okay? Don't lose self confidence. That's what I get. You will get a flash of light. You'll get an idea like that, sudden idea to do things, to turn around things in life. I'm going to take the energy cards. I just want to take one or two cards from here. Let's see what are the cards saying. Happy family again. This one is coming for a lot of sun signs. This one is also coming for a lot of sun signs, putting in a lot of secrets inside. I also want you to be careful of your stomach area. Please don't fight with anybody, okay? See hostilities. Okay, especially got a Capricorn. Especially got a 12 number, so no fighting with anyone. Just remember that. I'm going to give you a lucky color. Let's see what is your lucky color. I'm not looking. Let me see if I can pull out a charm. I picked up quite a few. So that's great for you guys. Black is good for you. Purple is a good color. Dolphin is about communication, okay? Communicate well. Yellow is good. I think yellow will put you in a lot of action. And there is a seahorse. I feel unconventional thinking here. I also feel going deeper into the issue. I feel think differently, think uniquely. That's what I get. Let's see what your alphabets are saying. What word is forming? Let me see if there's a word forming. No, I will take out one or two more. I took a lot for this group, Scorpio. Be careful of any scams, okay? In August, especially for you. That's what I get. Be careful of scams. Don't chuck something. Don't chuck a job, okay? Don't chuck anything out. So maybe that's a message for relationship also. Don't just chuck it for the sake of it, okay? Think about it. That's what I get. You're going to be feeling cold when it comes to emotions, not really thinking about love, not thinking about people. One of you, two of you are going to feel kind of cold. I also got the word burn, so be very careful if you're working with light, if you're working with tea lights, if you're working with candles, if you're working near the cooking in the cooking area, if you're cooking somewhere, somewhere near the cooking area. Just be careful about all that with the gas whenever. I also get the words don't quit, okay, for you guys. So don't quit. So that was your reading, Scorpio. I'm going to move on to the next reading. So this is for Sagittarius. This reading is for Sagittarius. I'm going to do one highlight card of the month. This is for August. For Sagittarius, what's going to happen? I did take that out, and I don't know why I kept it back, because it was not for you. This is a time for healing, okay? but you're not giving time to yourself to heal. I don't know why. So we'll get our answers. Let me see what are the other cards saying. You're not healing, it's come reversed. Not understanding the problem, not addressing the problem, not doing too much about the problem. You just know that you're not feeling well. That's what I feel. Or I have a feeling that you know things are not going your way, they're not right, but you're not accepting it. So there's a problem with acceptance also. Confidence is low right now, okay? Your confidence is low. You do not know if you will succeed. If it's finance, relationship, anything, you're not very sure about yourself. You need to communicate, okay? Remember that. I feel Sagittarius is dealing with a Gemini. You need to communicate. You need to communicate with your partner, someone you work with. You've not been doing that. And August is a brilliant month to communicate. Probably your communication will heal things, okay? You need to heal in some area of your life. That's what I get. So let's see the crystal cards, crystal energy cards. If there's another healing card in it, or do you get another message? Let's see. Clearing negativity, exactly. So it's sitting well here. You're not healing because you're not clearing negativity. In August, I want you to clear all the negativity in your mind. Okay, let go of things that don't belong in your life. Okay, it is saying clearing negativity. I think you can read it here, but it quite close to the screen. Guys, you're not going to heal if you're not going to clear negativity. It's going to stay with you. And if like I always say, if you think negative, you're going to attract negative things. So then you can't do anything about it. Forgiveness. So you need to forgive someone. And it says forgiveness heals. So Sagittarius, not happy with someone not happy with you, had a fight, not forgiving the other person. In August also you'll be thinking, should I forgive or not forgive? Or I don't know if the other person is forgiving you or not. So this is all healing cards. That's why I didn't take that first card, because I knew it doesn't belong here. And the moment I got this card, I knew it is becoming a healing energy, healing yourself kind of a reading. So you have to forgive the person. If you don't forgive the person, your heart will never heal, your mind will never heal, your body will never heal, because all have an impact on each other. If your heart is hurting, everything hurts. Then you can't move on, you can't think about anything else. Let me see if I can get one more message from this crystal angel deck. Balancing. Something is not balanced with you and your partner. That's why there's a lot of negativity. Probably you are unhappy with your partner is unhappy with you. There It's not balanced, it's not a very balanced relationship is what I get, okay? Your relationship is totally out of balance. In August is going to be like this. In August end, I want you to start healing your heart. If you want to stay or not stay, you have to make that decision, is yours. Bless your heart. So I'm right, this is becoming a love reading, okay? I didn't intend it to be a love reading, but this message had to be given probably to one person or to two people who are going through this situation. So this is a big message. You need to bless your heart. Reach out for emotional and spiritual support to heal and mend your heart. You have to heal, guys. In August, please do it. I feel in August also you're going to procrastinate the whole thing of healing, but you have to heal your heart. There is no way out. And all the cards are saying the same thing to you. So it can't be wrong that this is the message for you guys. Let me do the relationship card first. I'm going to do the romance cards and then I'm going to do the other cards. So guys, sometimes I don't intend it to be a relationship reading, but it comes out to be a relationship reading because there is a message for someone. Both are acting very childlike with each other. It's like, sorry to use the word stupid, but it's kind of stupid arguments. It's silly arguments. It's something childish that's happening in the relationship. It's nothing that it's a huge fight and that's what is leading to separation. It's very silly things. It's how like kids would fight. That's how you've been talking to each other. That's what you've been fighting about. That's what I feel. Let's see what's the other thing. Yeah, there is no love, less love right now. There's no chemistry between you two. That's why probably you are drifting apart. You're not so close anymore. Or probably that's what you're feeling lonely, not in love, totally closed. This person is closed here. You can see the hands closed. The woman is looking somewhere else. So it is, the woman is looking somewhere else. This guy is totally, he's got his hands crossed. It's like he doesn't want to hear anything anymore. So you're already closed in the relationship. Probably you're already going through a turmoil, and you need healing in August, or probably you need answers in August. Let's see what your spirit animal guide is saying. What is the spirit animal guide saying to you? What is your spirit animal guide? What are the messages for you? Any messages for you to heal your heart? You've got a dolphin. So let's see what the dolphin wants to say. Dolphin is about communication. I want you to communicate. Maybe communication will heal you. Like I got the other card for you. That you need to be with your friends. You need to talk to them about your heart situation. So the dolphin is saying, I understand communication from others, including what isn't said. So I think you did get the red flags and you now understanding what is going wrong. In August, it's all about understanding the situation, why it went wrong and why it's not going to work, guys. Peacefulness and playfulness are mine now and always. Maybe you or probably that child card meant that you stop being a child, you stop being playful, and you've suddenly become mature. It could be that also, that it wants you to be a little playful, and take life as it comes. I go with the ever changing flow of life and willingly and joyfully. So whatever is happening in your life, I think willingly you should accept it. You should be joyous about it. That good things are going to happen to you. And if there is a change, if you need to make a change in your situation, I think you should go ahead and do it. I breathe deeply and oxygen replenishes my body. So time for healing. You need to meditate, guys. This needs to be like this in August. We need a lot of meditation, guys. We need to breathe. Every breath I take increases my life force and vitality. So I want you to communicate, I want you to heal, I want you to breathe, and I want you to think positive. I want you to go with the flow of life. Remember, all these things are for you. Let's see what the energy deck is saying. Indecision again, August. Exactly 8 months. See, 8 has come out. I think you can see the number. Here's 8. So indecisive. Still don't know what to do in August. To go or not to go, to stay or not to stay, to be with the person, not to be with the person. Your heart is breaking, your heart is not breaking. So many ifs and buts in your situation. That's why you're not healing. That's why this is reversed, guys. Because you're indecisive, not taking one path, okay? Thinking about too many things together. Let's see what are the other cards saying. Really wanting to leave. I feel you really in a state of mind where you're saying, I'm packing my bags and I want to leave. I cannot do this anymore. Those are the words that I'm getting, that I cannot do this anymore. It's taking a toll on me. I cannot deal with the situation anymore. I just want to leave. I want to pack my bags and get out of this relationship, get out of this job, get out of this house. Those are the words that I'm getting. Get out of this mess. That's what all I'm getting. Need to communicate, like I told you. This is the fifth chakra. It's all about communication. It's also blowing your trumpet, telling people what you feel. Communicate, guys. That's why the dolphin came out. You have to heal through communicating. You're not communicating with the other person. If you're not communicating with the other person, how will they know what you want to say to them? Because they could be making stories in their mind. They probably think that the relationship is okay or there is no problem. So in August, you need to communicate. It's all just in your mind. That's what I said. Yeah, it's all just here in your mind, nothing else. That's how you feel. I really think you need to talk, guys. That's the highlight. And it's time to heal for you. I'm going to take one more card out because I don't think I can close the reading right now. For Sagittarius, there's one more message that needs to be given to you guys. For the month of August, what is the message? What is the last message? Be strong. Exactly. So have to be strong. Okay? Will of a lion. Be a lioness. Okay? And that's what I feel. This woman is very confident. She knows what has to be done. So this is August for you. Plan well. You know what you need to do, okay? That's what I feel. So that was your reading. Let me take out some charms, like I said. I'm not looking, whatever comes in my hand. Highlight for you. Okay, black is coming out a lot. For August, black is becoming a good color. So green, I would say I'm going to go with light brown, though it's a golden. But for you, I feel like saying light brown and black. 3 good colors you can work with. I'm also going to give you a number. What's important for you in August? 6 is good for you, okay? Good things will happen for you on the 6th, okay? And let me see what words are forming for you guys. Any other messages, channel messages that I need to give? A came out, so A is going to be important for you in August. So August is also A. Cap, something to do with a cap. Put a cap on the situation, put a lid on the situation. That's cap. It's also pack. Like I said, leaving the place. Pack. I also get pack. Okay. Also, I get sack. You're going to sack someone. Okay. SAC. Sack the relationship. I'm going to show you. This is how I don't have a K, but that's how I feel the word is. It's sack. Okay. I'm seeing what else can I say. You're also sad. I got an SAD. Sad with the situation. Not very happy to do this. Sad with the situation. Okay. I also get passed. I also get someone just passed away in your family. I'm so sorry about it, but that's what I got. Someone passed away, or someone passed something to you, like down the generations. Something is passed on to you. So it's that also. So that is the reading for Sagittarius. I am going to move on to Capricorn. I'm going to start the reading for Capricorn. So let's see, this is for Capricorn. What is the highlight of the month for you? I'm going to put the card there and then we'll do other messages. What is the highlight for August? What do you need to know? Nothing will come out of the situation. It is reversed, okay? So which means something will come out of the situation. Don't have to worry. This is not the exact decision. It can be turned anyway, okay? So it's not set in stone. Something that you're doing is not set in stone, Capricorn, for August. The decision can swing anyway. And something will come out of the situation. It's gone reversed. So probably you thinking that nothing is going to happen in August, but things are going to happen for you in August. You're very close to achieving your dreams. I told you, probably you given up in some way. And that's what the card is saying. Don't give up, You're almost very close. How closely you can see the moon here? Almost within reach, like you can grab it. So it's like something is very close to you. Don't have to worry. Prosperity is ahead, but you got to work hard for it. That's what I feel. You're not working hard. I don't know why I wanted to say that. Not putting your mind. Everything can be achieved. Everything you can reach the goal. Goal is within reach. But I want you to put your hard work in. Okay. Because the situation is not set in stone, and something will come out of the situation. See, not holding your vision. Everything is right. I just did the Sagittarius reading. It became more like a love reading, a mixed love reading and something else. But this one is all about, not holding your vision. It could be in a relationship, otherwise also. But I feel whatever you're doing, you are not very sure about what you're doing. You want to do quite a lot. You want prosperity, but not working hard for it. You're close to achieving your goals. Okay, don't worry. So probably you almost are at the end, and that's when you given up. You're like, I can't work hard anymore. Nothing is going to come out of it. But you don't know that you're very close to the situation. So I don't want you to give up right now. Let's see what the other deck is saying. I've got all the decks here. Let's see what the energy oracle is saying for you guys. Yes, money is coming, guys. I told you you're very close to your goal. So don't give up yet, okay? Just reaching there. And it's not that something will not come out of the situation. If you were thinking you're not going to get money, you're not going to get money in the job or someplace, somebody is not going to give you the money, you will. See how confidently you are holding the money. Yes, it's a balanced situation. Okay, it's almost like a head and heart. You'll feel balanced, okay? You'll feel well. That's what I get. Something was out of balance before August is what I get. Okay, August is a month of balance, especially on the 22nd or on the 4th of August. You're going to feel good. I also get dealing with either a fire sign or a water sign or an air sign also is what I get. This card came again. August is a lot of balance. You're going to be happy. Okay. Yes, but you'll miss appreciation. I don't know why. That will be in your mind. I want to say the channel messages the person really appreciates you. This is you thinking, okay? This is you thinking the person doesn't appreciate you. Could be a love situation, family situation, or in the job. Yeah, you think you don't get the kudos that you should get, or you don't get the love that you should get. But I don't know why I want to say this, that it's all in your head, okay? This is not the situation at all. But I like this card. There's a lot of balance and calmness. So probably before August, things weren't really right for you. One situation was really imbalanced. Let me see what are the other cards. What's another message? I want you to communicate more, okay? Because I feel you'll stop communicating with one person. Probably with your best friend or somebody, your communication skill is not going to be really good in August. I want you to communicate more. I want you to talk more. Healing situation. This is balance, like I told you. Really fire and water energy, something balanced in your life. Like I'm saying it again, I'm saying it for the third time because that's a big message for me, for you guys. Things are going to be balanced. You're going to feel better, okay? And sixth number is going to be important for you. It's almost like, things will be magically aligned for you. I don't know why I got that. It's kind of going to be a very effortless situation for you. Emotions are high, okay? In August, be careful. So probably somebody will balance you out, or probably your partner will balance you out. That's what I feel. Though your emotions will be high, but you will be balanced. You'll balance it out. Probably you'll talk to people. I want you to talk to people, okay? Because you'll not communicate. You'll try not to communicate, but I want you to communicate. That's how probably you'll get your balance. Once you talk with the person, you'll feel better. Let's see what the crystal cards are saying for you. Want to join any spiritual or religious community, want to be with someone, like-minded people. You really want to be with someone, you're trying to find a group that understands you, supports you. In August, it's all about being in a group, or also joining some group, some kind of a rehabilitation, or probably that's where you want to be balanced. Probably you've been feeling emotional and you will join a group, and when you talk to people you'll feel better. That's what I get. Be gentle with yourself, okay? You've been through a lot and need time to heal and recover. So probably you've seen a lot of ups and downs in your life, and August is a month where you will recover from all that. You be gentle to yourself. Don't push yourself, okay? In any kind of work related situation, in love or otherwise, in any routine, don't push yourself unnecessarily. Do what is right for you. Be gentle, and you'll feel better. Let's see what are the other cards saying for you. What is the other message? Busy times and multitasking. So that's why it's saying be gentle on yourself. Like I said, you're going to push yourself too much. Doing too many things at a time. Hands full totally. Don't know what to start first. Also summoning a lot of people, calling a lot of people, do this, do that, giving responsibilities, talking on the phone all the time, delegating. That's what I see you doing in August. This is for Capricorn. A lot of stuff happening around you, like a very busy card. It seems like a very busy card. A lot of things happening. Phone ringing all the time. That's what I feel. Let's see what your spirit guide animal has to say to you, and which one is your spirit guide animal for August. Spider. So you need so many hands to do whatever you need to do, okay? Too much multitasking. And let's see what the spider has to say to you. I observe patterns and symbols and easily interpret their meaning. You see how complex the spider web is when it's spinning the web. So I think you're a person who understands numbers, patterns, and symbols. You love reading about them, or probably that's what your job involves, where you have to deal with numbers and patterns. And that's really easy for you. It's a child's play. It also says writing and creating bring greater understanding. So probably you're a writer. You like writing things. You like manifesting. You write journals, or you write a lot. I think my imagination is active. So a lot of imagination you put in whatever you're doing. That's how you are. I have great creative ideas that I easily bring into reality. I create my reality. Creativity flows through me in myriad of ways. So a lot of ways, that creativity flows through you. So you do a lot of different things. Whatever I get, whatever you do it very creatively. Very unconventional thinking is what I get. Very unique. Let's see what the romance angels are saying. What are the love relationship cards? Sorry, one went flying. Wedding time. Are you attending a wedding or you heard about a wedding? That suddenly flew out of my hand as if it wanted to belong in the reading. Are you really thinking about wedding? Look how lovingly she's looking at the guy. So you've been dreaming about wedding, or you've been thinking about wedding. Or you just met someone and probably in August you're going to tell the person that you love the person. Are you attending a marriage? I also get attending a wedding. I feel whoever's listening to this is probably pregnant and is pregnant with a second child. I want you to let go of control issues, if any, in your relationship. It's not doing you good, okay? It's not good to control the situation. That's why probably saying nothing will come out of it. I'm going to read it reversed right now while I'm talking. Release your ex. Okay, so for Capricorn, August, if you wanted to know an answer, here's your answer, okay? Please do what you think is right. Remember that in the end, you know your situation the best. I just want to take out one card from here. It says almost going on a journey, okay? But no, but August, I think August is a delay for some things for some people. I don't think you're going to move out in August. Wanting to go on a journey, but it's not happening in August, is what I get. I'm just picking it up like that. Strategizing a lot. Capricorn is going to think a lot about office work, strategy, business, job meetings, keeping journals, like I said, writing a lot. I think you're making a lot of plans, or it's almost like a blueprint for your company. It's almost putting everything in detail, doing a lot of detailed work is what I get. Let's see what are the colors or what are the charms. Sorry for the noise. Dolphin is coming in most of them. So communication is very important August. I think August is a month for communication and hard work. White is good for you. It's more pearly white. Pearls are good for you. That's what I want to say. Pearls are good for you. It's matching here. So perfect. Brilliant. Let me see what is the number that I should give to you. What is a good number for you in August? Number 6 is good for you, okay? And I'm going to do the alphabets. Let's see what word they form. What channel message do I get from them? It's all about me. It's all about me. Uh, it's also about me. It's also about he that I get. I'm just trying to clear the energies. It's he and me. It's about a relationship, okay? Let me see. I want to take one more alphabet out. It's home. It's missing home. So a lot of you are thinking of buying a home, missing home, away from home, wanting to move from this home to another home. It's there's a big thing about home coming here, okay? Also get the channel message my own home. That's another thing that I get. So those were the messages for Capricorn. Thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed your reading. I'll be back again with another reading. I hope August is wonderful for all the signs. So I'm uploading all the signs today. Thank you so much. Do leave a message and do subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and do comment. I always read the comments and reply. Thank you so much, guys. Have a wonderful August.